What's up and welcome to Gift Makumbe BA channel. Today we're going to talk about create an online course. I'm sure you have skills, you have some key skills with people and will be willing to pay to learn from you. They teach them. It's never been easier to share everything you know. There are plenty of people that make a living from selling online courses, and you don't necessarily have to be an expert. All you need to know more than your potential student on the subject. There are plenty of online websites that make it easy for you to sell your skills and create online courses. The best ones are teachable.com, Udemy, and Skillshare. If you are seriously interested in starting an online course, a great place to start is the Teachable free webinar. Teachable offers free live training to help you launch your own online course in no time. You can claim your free spot by signing up and clicking on their sign up. Do small tasks for others and earn money. The world is full of people that you don't have time to do small course types of tasks like data entry, picking up groceries, cleaning their garden, or putting together furniture. If you're up to running some errands for others, you can simply or easily make some money on websites like TaskRabbit. This is the one of the best websites with a wide variety of tasks, but there are $20 non-refundable registration fee to pay when you sign up to become a tasker. Fiverr, Thumbtack, and Gigwork. You can also sell your stuff to earn money. You need to make $100 first. Selling things that you don't use is one of the quickest ways to make money. You can start by getting rid of everything you haven't touched in over a year. This can be old camera that is picking up dust in the box under your bed, or your old phone, iPad, or Kindle that you stopped using once you upgraded to the new version. If you have tech to sell, Whistle is one of the best places to check how much you can get for it. You could make 30% more and get paid faster than anywhere else. You simply need to answer some simple questions about your device. You'll get a guarantee offer in seconds. An iPhone X can get you $292, and an Apple Watch Series 4 up to $165. If you accept the offer, Whistle will post you everything you need to send them your check, and as soon as they receive it, you'll get paid within 24 hours. Other websites stock apps to sell your stuff online: Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Craigslist. Once you start selling things, it will be very hard to stop. You will soon realize you have money you are sitting on. You can easily make hundreds of dollars without much effort. I promise you won't miss any of the stuff you sell. And if you can't be bothered selling each item individually, check out declutter.com. You can sell your tech, CDs, DVDs, games, old cell phones, books, and even logo pieces. Simply download the app, scan the barcode, find the item you want to sell, and Declutter will make you an offer for it. Rent your extra room on Airbnb to earn money. Do you own your house and have some extra money and have some extra rooms? Do you rent a place with some extra space? Check your landlord if you can rent it out for some cash. Airbnb is a safe way to earn money, as you screen your potential guests before arriving. and you can accept or reject them based on previous reviews. Going away on holiday, list your home while you are away, and you could earn more than what your holiday is costing you. Or you live near a stadium where an event is taking place. There is always a need to earn extra accommodation. Proofreading from home. If you are passionate about grammar, punctuation, and spelling, and have eagle eyes for mistakes, this might be the perfect job for you. You can make up to $65,000 a year. The amazing thing about proofreading is that it can be done anywhere, so it's perfect for making money at home or while traveling. And if you want to learn more about proofreading and where to find the best proofreading jobs online, check out this useful post by clicking on their website. Sell your photos. Do you love taking photos? Did you know that you can sell them to stock photo agencies and make some extra cash? You don't have to be a professional to sell your photos, and you still have the opportunity to earn some extra money even if you have a novice. You will get paid based on a number of downloads. Every time someone downloads one of your pictures, you will get a commission. Best websites to sell your photos online: Shutterstock, iStock, Adobe Stock. Clean out your closet and earn some extra money. We all have clothes that we have never wear for different reasons. How about skirts that we loved when we tried it, but then I realized it was just a bit too short when you got home? Or that Christmas jumper we decided to buy 5 years ago and wore only once before deciding it was far too ridiculous to wear again. It's easy to make good money by getting rid of unwanted clothes. Best website to app to sell is Poshmark, eBay, and Craigslist. And if you are serious about making money with second-hand clothes, check out 2020 Guide to Selling Clothes Online. Teach English online. Teaching English is perfect for college and students, school teachers looking to earn some more on the side, stay-at-home moms, and anyone who likes the idea of teaching from home. You will need a bachelor's degree and be able to legally work in the US, Canada, or the UK. EF Education First. EF Education First is a highly recognized English school with classrooms all around the world. They also offer English teaching jobs online for both citizens of the UK and the USA. If you love the idea of teaching while making an extra income from home, then working with Education First is for you. You can earn up to $20 an hour, and you will teach one-on-one classes. Each class is 25 minutes, and salaries are deposited directly into your bank account. Easy. To become a teacher, you'll need to live in the US or the UK, have a bachelor's degree or above in any field. By the start of your contract, you must have completed a 40-hour TEFL or higher. Click here to obtain a TEFL for an affordable price quickly. You'll need to agree on an online background check. Education First will cover the fee for this. A VIP Kid. VIP Kid is an online platform for teaching English to Chinese students aged between 5 to 12. You don't need to know Chinese to teach a VIP Kid. It's a full English immersion class. The actual class is similar to using Skype or Google Hangout. It provides a one-on-one full immersion experience to kids. All course materials and lessons learned are provided by VIP Kid. VIP Kid is rated the top 5 on Forbes for the best remote companies to work for and is currently hiring remote teachers. To become a teacher, you need to be eligible to work in the US or Canada. You need to have 1 year of teaching experience, traditional education or mentoring, tutoring, or alternative education, and a bachelor's degree in any field. Once you are approved, you will need a computer with a webcam, a headset with a microphone, and a reliable internet connection. That was all for today, ways on how to make money. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment.